I've done the UX/UI online course earlier this year, finishing in April. I'm a graphic designer for a small independent footwear retailer brand based in London, and I'm trying to transition into the UX part of things. So my favorite thing about Experience House is the fact that tutors and mentors are very easily available and accessible at any time. And because the way I work needs to have ideas bouncing off each other, it's very easy to have that in Experience House. Design is about finding solutions and helping solving problems in a very practical way, very practical level. For me, it's not about the artsy bit. The artsy bit is just the elegance with which you find a solution to a problem. My favorite thing about UX design is very much the you in it. So the fact that a problem isn't such if there is no one expressing it. If there isn't a user around which solving a problem and around which designing a solution, then at the moment, because I'm searching for a career change, at the moment I am very much following Chris Do. So it's more about like career change and creatively pitching oneself. Drawing lots of inspiration from him. There's a lot of communication with other departments, which I really like because I need to understand a bigger picture, like what the whole business is doing and in which direction it's going. So there's a lot of exchange with the buying team and the marketing team. And then there's a lot of iteration on graphic designs. Although I am not even halfway through probably in the career change that I'm planning, I have the feeling that before finding Experience House, I didn't have the tools, I didn't have the opportunities to make that change happen. But now that I know what I want to do, Experience House is enabling me to get in that direction, go for what I really want, and it makes life so much easier.